Welcome to DNS Signal Group. Here in this group, we give traders signal, and we also teach them strategy in order for them to maximize profit. So here I'm going to teach on the breaking of trend, which is the major thing that our major strength of strategy. So we make use of the breaking of trend. Now, in my previous video, I taught on how to draw a trend line. But if you are still having any challenge with that, you can drop a comment for me in the comment box. I'm going to attend to it. But yeah, let's start from the beginning, from what I explained in the last video. So let's take it up from there. I want to Let's start by from that side. Now, if you check my screen, I already have a trend line which I drew. Let me go back. So this was how the trend line was actually drawn, which I explained in the last video. Take This is an upper trend. So just take a trend line, make sure your trend line touches a minimum of two lower lows. A minimum of two lower lows. As you can see on my screen, I'm having on my screen here, I'm having this number of lower lows that I started from here. So this is number one, this is number two, and this is number three. Now, at the number 3 point, you can see that the market actually broke the trend line. So when the market breaks the trend line, then you wait for the market to give a retest. What is a retest? A retest is a major area of support or resistance that the market touches after breaking a trend line, in order for you to have a confirmation, because you don't just go into the market without having a confirmation. Now, if you check here, when the market broke the trend line here, then we waited for a confirmation. It actually came down, then it will test this major area here, this line here. So it actually will test this major area. Now, after we testing this major area, let's look at the movement. Look at it. Can you see it? Can you see how far and how powerfully it moved down? So that is the power of the trend line. Breaking of trend strategy is very powerful. I'm still going to teach more on it in our next video.